Hey everyone! Welcome to the very first episode of our channel, your new go-to spot for exploring how cutting-edge concrete 3D tech is reshaping our world. Today, we're diving deep into concrete 3D printing versus traditional construction. And I promise you, this isn't your typical 3D printing story. We're talking about building real durable prefabs using actual concrete. Whether it's benches, tables, or even custom decorative letters, sleek modular wall panels, integrated planters, compact modular housing units, or robust industrial prefabs like retaining walls, trench drains, reinforced culverts, and even floating marine structures, we're setting a new standard in concrete design and functionality. And while the focus will primarily be on how we harness our very own concrete 3D printer to push these boundaries, expect to see some videos on more conventional 3D printing techniques too. So, if you're excited about innovation, sustainable construction, and seeing technology in action, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Construction is evolving. Traditional methods, think labor-intensive processes, set formwork, and long curing times, have built our cities for centuries. But change is in the air. With concrete 3D printing, we're not just speeding things up, we're reinventing how prefabricated components are made. Most projects out there lean on lightweight mortar for rapid prototypes or decorative structures. Our approach is different. We use real, durable concrete to create prefabs that are built to last, opening up a whole new realm of architectural possibilities. Let's talk benefits. First is speed. Traditional construction can be a drawn-out process. Pouring, curing, and assembling can take weeks or even months. Our concrete 3D printer works almost non-stop, producing high-quality prefabs on a near-continuous basis. Imagine a bench or a table materializing layer by layer with remarkable precision. Then there's cost efficiency too. Sure, the technology behind our printer requires an upfront investment, but when you factor in the savings from reduced labor, minimal material waste, and off-site production, the numbers tell a compelling story. We're not just cutting costs, we're also streamlining workflows to meet modern building demands. And while traditional construction calls for a large workforce with all the associated risks, our automated approach trims down on human error and labor costs. It's about consistency, quality control, and creating safe, reliable structures. Environmental impact matters now more than ever. Traditional construction often leaves behind a trail of waste and high carbon emissions. By using our concrete 3D printer, every drop of material counts. With actual concrete, not just mortar, our prefabs are engineered for longevity while optimizing the use of resources. This smarter use of materials not only lowers waste, but also significantly reduces the carbon footprint compared to conventional building practices. This is the future, merging sustainability with high-performance construction. We're not just printing prototypes, we're building functional components that meet the rigorous demands of modern architecture. Of course, every innovation comes with its challenges. In concrete 3D printing, ensuring material consistency, achieving precise mixing ratios, and updating building codes to accommodate new technology are critical hurdles. But these challenges drive innovation. Looking forward, imagine entire neighborhoods constructed from prefabricated 3D printed components, each piece custom designed and manufactured off-site. The result? Drastically reduced on-site assembly times, a surge in design flexibility, and a big step towards sustainable construction practices. When you compare concrete 3D printing with traditional construction, the future clearly points toward innovation. Faster build times, cost savings, reduced labor needs, and an impressive reduction in environmental impact are just the start. And while our channel will primarily showcase how we leverage our own printer to make groundbreaking prefabs, we'll also dive into conventional 3D printing techniques to give you a complete view of the evolving landscape. So what do you think? Could concrete 3D printing be the game changer that reshapes our cities? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into technology and construction innovation, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. And until next time, keep building the future.